In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install a new audio or speaker output device on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is open up the Start menu and type in Settings. Best result should come back with Settings here. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select System, and then on the right side, select the sound entry in here. And where it says underneath output to pair a new device, select the add device option and then follow through with the on-screen steps of connecting that to your device. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.